Hey everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to fix failed to log into Fortnite or unable to log in Fortnite servers. So first what you want to do is go to Task Manager. Here go to Details and search for Fortnite and end its task. After that, search for Epic Games and end the task as well. Now, after both of these have in the task, open your Fortnite and check if the error still exists. So if it still exists, you want to go to search and search for Epic Games and open its file location. So here again, open its file location. Once you locate its exe file, right click on it and click on properties. So here you go to compatibility and check on these run this program in compatible mode for, and check these two as well. Disable full screen, run this program as an administrator. Click on apply, then okay. So after this, check if you're still facing the problem. If you're still facing it, then go to search, type cmd, run it as administrator, and type ipconfig space front slash flush DNS. Enter, and the next one is netsh winsock space reset. Enter and you're done. Hopefully all of these methods will help you out of the error, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, do like and subscribe the channel.